Alright guys, we're outside with the thunder. Let's continue. We want to listen to the sounds outside, the sounds of the thunder, if you can hear it. We're going to continue our reading today for Face Your Dragons. Face Your Dragons. And as she's emerging out of the water here, you can see she's ready to face anything, all her darkness. So I'm going to pull up the description for this card from our book today. Hopefully this card's resonating with you already, with the images and the message that has already come through. So I'm just going to try and find our description today. It's the very first one. Card 1. So many of us sweep our discomforts under the rug, where they will be less threatening, less likely to disrupt our state of comfort. But this moment is challenging you, challenging, to stand in your power and confront what seems overwhelming, intimidating, or scary. Crisis is often the companion of opportunity, so look beyond the surface. As poet Rainer Maria Rilke said, perhaps all the dragons in our lives are princesses who are only waiting to see us act just once with beauty and courage. Perhaps everything that frightens us is, in its deepest essence, something helpless that wants our love. The rain's starting to come down. I'm going to move my umbrella over. We're nice and protected from the rain. It's a beautiful, warm, rainy day. I love the rain. Love the rain. Let's give some Palo Santo to our message today, to amplify it. Listening to the rain. Beautiful rain. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Knowing you can conquer anything. And feeling all of the support around us. Feeling all the support around you. Beautiful child of God. Remember who you are. Don't ever forget. Don't ever forget. You're perfect just as you are. You don't need to look a certain way. You don't need to act a certain way. You don't need to be doing anything else than what you're doing right now. Just listening. Garamaya Tiamai Shiatea Kyoramaya Siamakia Nariani Sronaya Ramaya Miakia Tiamaya Sorum Entera Miakia Tiami Tironatela Keti Si, mio chiedere mia te si ottarono te. Si o mi chiedi ma siarani tela. Si o mia chiedere mia tia cara siata mia genia. E por meta quieres si tu hermano tiata ti ama quiera más yo te mía ti ama que me harás yo te mí otra me te la me más yanare yamake no me quiero decir amatela embarasianari kia tiaros ki mi atresi to tramatukiata tesi Moba rana pota teketesi tekrai teketa katra meketesi trenta takieta utra meketesi ta kokor yes rana tela mia konesi amatera nea Taking in this grounding sensation back into your body, feeling at peace, feeling at ease with yourself, Breathing out, allowing any heaviness to flow through the soles of your feet into Mother Earth. She knows exactly what to do with it. Surrendering any anxiety, any fear, any worry, letting it all go into the earth, Mama, Pachamama. She regenerates you. Feeling Father Sky rumbling into your heart, grounding you. You don't need to look like anything. You don't need to be anyone. You don't even need to be special. You are already beautiful, whole, and unique as you are. And you are very loved and very supported. Everything is beautiful. Everything is exactly as it needs to be. Evening. I know that you'll sleep very well tonight. Just take a deep breath. You're very loved. Sitaram, sitaram.